Hello learners, welcome back to my channel, your go-to spot for making grammar fun and easy. Today, we are diving into the world of demonstrative and interrogative pronouns. By the end of this video, you will be using them like a pro. So grab a notebook and let's get started. Let's start with demonstrative pronouns. These are words we use to point to specific things. They are like your finger in word form, showing exactly what you're talking about. We've got 4 main demonstrative pronouns in English. They are this, that, those, and these. Here is how they break down. This, that is THIS. This is for something close and singular. For example, this is my favorite book. That is for something far and singular. Example, that looks like a cool car. This, that is THESE, is for things close and plural. For example, these are delicious cookies. Those is for things far and plural. Example, those were amazing fireworks. If I hold up this pen, I would say, this is my pen. But if I am pointing to a pen across the room, I would say, that is my pen. Easy, right? Next up, let's talk about interrogative pronouns. Interrogative pronouns are used to ask questions. Think of them as your grammar detectives, helping you get answers. They are who, whom, whose, which, and what. Here is a quick breakdown. Who is used for the subject of a sentence. Example, who is at the door? Next is whom. Whom is used for the object of a sentence. For instance, whom did you invite to the party? Please note that you use whom when you could answer with him or her. Next is whose. Whose is used to show possession. Example, whose jacket is this? Which. Which is used when there is a choice to be made, when you have options to choose from. Example, which flavor do you want? Next is what. What is used to ask for information about things. Example, what is your favorite color? Now, it's your turn to practice. I will show you some sentences with blanks, and you will fill them in with the correct demonstrative or interrogative pronoun. Are you ready? Now, pause the video and try to answer these questions on your own. Then hit play to check your answers. Great job, everyone! Now let's recap. Demonstrative pronouns point to specific things. Demonstrative pronouns are this, that, these, and those, while interrogative pronouns help us ask questions. Who, whom, whose, which, and what are all interrogative pronouns. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks to level up your grammar. Until next time, happy learning!